Hello everyone, so today we will do sign convention for reflection by spherical mirrors class 10. So let's start. The sign conventions are also called new Cartesian sign convention. Sign convention. So in what are the sign convention? In sign convention, the pole of the mirror, let us take mirror, a concave mirror. So the this is the principal axis. See, this is a rough diagram. This is the pole of the mirror. This is the principal axis, and the principal axis is always taken as the origin. So let we understand with the help of graph. See. Why pole of the mirror is taken as origin? This is because if we take a line straight through perpendicular to the principal axis, it looks like that. See. So the pole of the mirror is always taken as origin. And this is our x-axis. This is our x negative axis. This is our y-axis, and this is our y negative axis. Similarly, we can also write here also for easier understanding. This is x axis, this is x minus axis, y positive axis, and y negative axis. So this is our first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, fourth quadrant. I think you all must know that this is very common. We have studied this in class 9th also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. So all the coordinates of any point here in the first quadrant will always be positive. So you can see that all the numbers on y-axis are positive, and all the number on x-axis are also positive. So our coordinates x, y will also be positive. In second quadrant, here the numbers on x-axis are negative. So our x coordinate will be minus, and our y coordinate will be plus, because all the points here are positive. In third quadrant, both will be negative, and in fourth quadrant, first will be positive, x will be positive and y will be negative. So we can say that the object is always placed in the left. This is left side. Object is always placed in the left side. So here, suppose if object is here, it means that it implies that the light from the object fall from left side to the mirror. Okay, and it fall from the left side, and the object distance, which is u, will always be negative. And the mirror and the image so formed, it suppose this is our focus, this is our center of curvature. So the distance between focus and pole will be focal length. So first light ray fall from this, and then Yes. So the image forming is here, or the image forming in this condition is in left side, so the image distance will always also be negative. In the case where the image formed on right side, then the image distance will be positive. Uh, and all the distance which is measured at the right of the origin, this is origin and this is right side, we can say this is right side also, so it will be positive. See, positive, because here both the signs are positive, numbers are also positive. And the if it is taken in upward direction, which is like the object is kept in upward direction of the principal axis, so the height of the object will be positive. And if the object is taken downward, or the image formed is in downward direction, so the height of the image will be negative, because here all the numbers are in negative and it is y minus axis. Here it is y plus axis, therefore the any object placed in the above direction of the principal axis will be positive, and the image formed in downward direction will be negative. We can also say that the distance perpendicular, and in the above direction the distance perpendicular, see this is perpendicular, and in the above direction of the principal axis will be positive, and the image and the distance in perpendicular to the principal axis but in downward direction will be negative, because here it is y axis, therefore it will be negative, and here it is positive y axis, which is so in above perpendicular direction it will be positive.